Okay, Assalamualaikum and good afternoon. So in this example, I will show to you how I use a counter and also a timer, where I can display the counter value here and the timing value here. So this is actually a simple program where I have one sensor and a reset to trigger a lamp. So let's start a demonstration. So I press sensor. If you can see, the counter is achievement, so I set 10. So afterward, okay, it will turn to be 0 and timing start to count, okay, for 10 seconds. And what happened now, the green lamp, okay, the lamp will turn to green. Okay, so this will be the reset. Okay, right, so the program for PLC is something like this one. Okay, I have a button. Okay, I name as sensor 1, a stop button. This will be the counter, and this is a counter that trigger the timer. I set 10 seconds, so I have to use 100 divided by 100 millisecond, and I get 10 seconds. Okay, the timer will trigger a lamp, and simultaneously actually counter, okay, will trigger mat operation, where this is the function where I use a division. Okay, why I divide? Because if you notify that here is actually 100 BCD, so then divide by 10, I get 10. Okay, do remember this one is 100. Okay, I just want to display as a 10 second. This 100 divided by 100 millisecond get 10 seconds, so I have to divide by 10, so I can display the data here starting from 10 until 0 as what I showed to the video. Right, so how to do it? So let me show how to do it. Okay, so I will off this one. Okay, the top part will be the basic instruction, but this one, okay, requires special function how to do. Alright, so what you have to do is actually you have to call the block function here. Alright, and then take this one and place here. Right, so and then place here. So the instruction will be slash, okay, and then space bar. Alright, so what will be the value to divide will be T001, so I will type T001. okay, the value to be divided, so I will use 10. Okay, hash decimal 10, and where the data to be stored, I will store in data memory 1. okay, and then press enter. So just enter, so you have this one. Okay, in your programming you should have this one. Okay, divide, okay, T1 divided by 10, and the data will be stored in D1. So now move on the touchscreen program. So I will display first how I set the count value. Right, so take it this one. Right, so I will erase this one, this example. Okay, so take this one, right, the digital display. Right, and then drag to here. Okay, so change this one to counter C, so I'm using C1. Alright, so double click, so C1. okay, display, this will be control the number. Okay, how many to display? Example for this one, 5. So what you have here is actually 1 2 3 4 5, so not necessary for me too many. So I just make it as 3. Okay, and then don't forget, okay, all the value will be displayed in hex number. So this will be decimal, unsigned, float, but since we are using a hex number, so select hex. Okay, and then if you want to change this font size, you can go to here. Alright, so I will use Arial. Right, so I can control the font, so let me choose 20. Alright, and then I click OK. Alright, and then color up to you. Alright, the position, okay, so I will make it center, right in the middle. Okay, completed, and then click apply and OK. So you have this one, so enlarge it, okay, to have the bigger value. Right, okay, for this one, the timing value, alright, same also. You have to use drag, so I will demo to you. Let me delete first. Alright, and then again drag this one to here. Alright, so now you have this one. Remember, in our programming here, okay, the data is stored in D1. Okay, so going to here and then make it this one as D. Okay, data memory, and select 1. Okay, same also display, change to hex, center. Alright, font, I will choose same, Arial. Alright, so font 20 and then click OK. Completed, apply, and then OK. So enlarge it. Alright. Okay, so for this one, how I declare count value, timing value, I can take this icon, okay, static text, right, and then you can type anything. Let's say my name. Okay, so just put here, apply, and OK. Alright, but if you want to change the font size, up to you. Alright, so click here 20. Alright, and then OK, apply, and OK, done. Alright, so completed. So what you have to do now, okay, this one is too many, so I will make it also 3. Okay, apply, and then OK, and then start to download. Okay, every time you change the program, make sure download. Alright, so you have the same as this one. Okay, if you notify here is actually 10. Why the value is 10? Okay, if you observe here, right, the counter value, right, the value is 10. That's why here is 10. Okay, for Omron, the counter perform function decrement. Okay, now let's see what happened when I work online. Okay, right, so work online. So yes, okay, the system now turn on. Okay, don't forget to download. Right. Yes, and yes. Alright, okay, click OK. Alright, make sure the enable started. You should run mode. Yes. Okay, so now we have the system as idle. Okay, so performing counting, so 9. So what you can observe here is 9. Alright, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Same as what we have here. 3, 2, 1. Alright, wait for 0, and you can observe that the counter start to counting. Alright, so what you can see is also same as what happened here. Alright, and the lamp will turn on. Okay, so same as what we have here. And then if I press reset, system back to normal. Okay, thank you.